Guys, it's Lauren Collingwood here, founder of Girls That Moto, the UK's first all-girls motocross training academy. So here at Girls That Moto, we cater for everyone. If you're a beginner and you want to learn the basics, or if you have been riding quite a few years now and you want to learn the best body positioning and you want to improve speed and technique, no matter what your age is or your skill level, we can cater for you. So if you're a girl, no matter your age, no matter your experience, and you want to improve at motocross, then drop into my inbox or Girls That Moto and you can join one of my training days.